Okay, hello and welcome back to another Vlogmas video. This is what Vlogmas day 9. I still cannot believe it. I'm doing this for 9 days straight. Anyway, thank you so much for being here. If it's your first time here, don't forget to subscribe, like, watch the video and share it with someone else. And if you've always been here, thank you so much. I truly appreciate you. Leave a comment, something. Just let me know something in the comment section to let me know that you're here. All right, so thank you. So yeah, another Vlogmas video. This day I'm at a little park for babies, and then I'm going to go across to this train station. So this is in a little town, and maybe I'll put the name of the little town in the title. But yeah, just to look at this, as again I'll tell you, illumination in Japan is for winter, not necessarily Christmas. So they think of it like, okay, it's winter illuminations, and so they'll put it up to attract the people and the kids and whatever. But yeah, that's just about it. All right, so let us get into this little video. Video. All right, so let's watch. As I say, it's a little play park for kids, and of course this would be a very good idea to have the lights up. Oh yeah, it's cold, it's super cold. But you know, for the vlog. So yeah, this is just what they have over here. In this park, they lay line on the fence there with lights also, so it's pretty attractive. It's small, it's simple, but I really don't mind. I get to see some lights and it gives you the Christmassy feel, so not a problem. The trees are all bare now. A few weeks ago they had on leaves, whether yellow or red or orange, and they were so beautiful. But yeah, this is what the park looks like currently. A little illumination for kids. All right, so as I said before, it's cold. It's cold. I can't stay too long out here, but this is about it. And then we're going to go over to the train station. So yeah, keep watching. Wait for the next clip to see the train station. So starting from here, you see that they put lights along the fencing, which is pretty cool. I like that. I say it just gives you a little, you know, a little something. Brighten your day, brighten the night. it's a lot of blue. But I don't think it matters. Watch here. I like this. That's a little reindeer. A little reindeer. That's pretty cool. That's so nice. That's a little reindeer right there. And they also have some lights in there. It's pretty cool. Simple yet cool. And they have these lights right here. As I said before, they have the lights lining on the bushes right there, which is also very nice, like that. This is nice. Wow. Nice. I have some. You have lights on the tree. It's nice. Oh, this is beautiful. I have these lights here. Ooh. Oh yeah, I'll be sniffling because I'm cold. Like, it's cold here. You have lights here. This is pretty. This is pretty too. This is pretty too. So nice. Oh yeah. Oh, love that. Love that. Oh, it's pretty. Then you have over here, it's also nice. Nice little light right here. And then they have this, which is also a nice little addition. So this is the entrance to the train station. It's a pretty small one, pretty small train station. Oh, cool. Yeah, pretty cool. Pretty cool. I like this. All right, so there you have it. This is day number 9 of Vlogmas. I'm so cold. So I have to go back inside the car and go home because I stopped to ensure that y'all get this video, okay? So yeah. Again, illumination in Japan, it's more about winter than it is about Christmas. Beautiful. And as I often say in the videos, it's simple because it's not all about, it's not like what we think it is or how we celebrate it on the western side of the world. If I sound a little sick, it's because I'm super cold, as I said before, and I'm freezing. So I have to go now. And see you in the next one, where maybe I'll be showing illuminations, or I have no idea. just look out for the next one. And thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and like and share and leave a comment. Leave a comment, please, for me. Allow me to know that you're here and you're watching and you're enjoying, or you're not, but don't. Yeah. It's okay. All right, thank you so much for being here. See you in the next one. Bye. Okay, so now we are at the train station. I'm cold. We're at the train station and I'm going to show you. It's beautiful, actually. It's actually beautiful. Simple but beautiful. Simple but beautiful. All right, so let's get into the light up at the train station. Okay? All right.